Hey, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your Windows 11 much better than the default settings. So let's get it on. The first one, I want to suggest you to remove all the junk apps or softwares that come with your Windows 11 by default. So you just press start and then find some junk software like this, obviously. Like for me, I had removed all the junk files such as a game that I will never play it, and then you just find by yourself like this the solitaire and casual games. You just right click and then click the uninstall. You just uninstall it one by one. It's really fast actually, and then you do it by yourself. So it depends on your preference, but I'm sure if you came to this video, you want your laptop or PC more productive. So I suggest you to remove all the junk file, especially the game that you never will be playing. And then the second things I want to suggest you to disable the notification. I think it's ridiculous to have notification on my laptop since this is for my work, and then I just check my email casually. I mean, not casually, but occasionally. And then what you have to do, you just disable the notification. So you just right click on the right corner here, and then notification. You click this notification settings, and then make sure you turn it off. That's it. Or if you want to more silence from your Windows 11, you just turn on this do not disturb. And then jump to the last suggestion I want to suggest to you is change your preference of Windows 11 into best performance. So what you have to do, just click start on down below and then find appearance like this. Appearance, so just click this adjust the appearance, blah, blah, blah. And then as you can see, I changed the preference into best performance, but wait, I just do wait. I suggest you to choose the default of your preference, the visual of your computer into adjust for best performance. But for me, I need two that important that show thumbnails instead of icons, and then the second one is animate controls and elements inside Windows. Those two are essential for me because I'm seeing many images, and then the first one here, I just like to see my Windows pop up. I mean, not just pop up, but some animation there. So that's it. 3 ways how to make your Windows 11 better. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.